Car engine components, functions and diagrams. The engine is the heart of a car. It is a complex machine built to convert the heat from combustion air-fuel mixture into the forces that turn the wheels on the road. It consists of two main parts. The heavy part at the bottom is the cylinder block, which is the housing for the main moving parts of the engine. The cylindrical block supports pistons, crankshaft, connecting rod and oil pan. The detachable upper cylindrical head supports the camshaft, cam, intake and exhaust valves, to open and close as the air-fuel mixture enters the combustion chamber. Here we will look at the major parts that make up an engine. Engine block. The engine block is the main support structure of the engine, in which combustion takes place. Engine block is mostly made by casting as a single unit, using cast iron and aluminum alloys. Piston. The piston is the heart of the engine. Pistons are mostly made by casting or forging cast iron, or aluminum alloys, as they are strong enough to withstand the high temperature and pressure generated due to combustion. In most automobile engines, the explosive force of the air-fuel mixture drives the piston. The pistons turn the crankshaft to which they are mounted. The torque of the crankshaft causes the wheels of the car to rotate. Combustion chamber. The combustion chamber is the area inside the cylinder. The highest position of the piston reaches in the cylinder is called the top dead center, and the lowest position is called the bottom dead center. During a compression stroke, the piston moves from the bottom dead center to the top dead center. This increases the pressure and temperature of the air-fuel mixture. Once the piston reaches the top dead center, the spark plug ignites the mixture and produces energy. Connecting rod. Connecting rods, usually made of forged steel, are used to connect the pistons to the crankshaft, to transmit the reciprocating motion. Crankshaft. The crankshaft is internally supported by the engine block. The reciprocating motion of the piston due to the combustion of fuel, is transmitted to the rotational motion of the crankshaft via the connecting rod, which subsequently drives the wheels. Timing belt. The belt is a heavy-duty rubber with cogs, to grasp the pulleys from the crankshaft and camshaft. The camshaft and crankshaft are synchronized to ensure accurate timing, in order to keep the engine running properly. Oil pan. Oil pan is mainly used for the collection of lubricating oil. All engine parts must be lubricated, to reduce friction between them to ensure all parts work smoothly. The speed and torque from a car engine are not uniform. The fluctuation affects the life of other parts. To avoid this, a flywheel is used. The flywheel is mounted on the crankshaft to balance the vehicle speed. Cam and camshaft. Cam is an egg-shaped round steel plate, attached to the camshaft. The cam's main function is to control the timing of the intake and exhaust valves. Gasket. Gasket is an important engine part that provides airtight sealing, and ensures there are no leakage, or loss between the engine block and cylinder head, the inlet manifold, and the exhaust manifold with the cylinder head. Spark plug. A spark plug has a metal threaded shell, that is electrically isolated from a central electrode by a ceramic insulator. During a compression stroke, once the piston going to reach the top dead center, an electrical spark generated by the spark plug is used to ignite the compressed air-fuel mixture, to produce energy.